So it was released, the first images from space Webb James telescope.
And now let's take a look at the very first image from this miraculous telescope.
Okay, and it was with Joe Biden, the American president, and Bill Nelson from NASA administrator. Okay.
NASA Administrator Nelson, I'm going to turn this over to you. So will you please tell us about what we're seeing?
Mr. President, if you held a grain of sand on the tip of your finger at arm's length, that is the part of the universe that you're seeing, just one little speck of the universe.
And they were revealing this first image of James Space Telescope. There, meanwhile, they were put 5 pictures at Carina Nebula, Stefan Quintet, this bending of gravitational, some proof that there's water, and this kind of things. I will talk about this in my channel if you want to watch. But now I'm going to tell you that everything that Bill Nelson in this, that response to Biden is false. Everything that he says is false, okay?
And what you're seeing there are galaxies. You're seeing galaxies that are shining around other galaxies whose light has been bent. And you're seeing just a small little portion of the universe.
So let me tell you in the row these things. Einstein did not bend its space. Einstein did not do this, okay? You do not know what Einstein said. From Stephen Hawking, the space were bended, okay? Einstein did not do this, okay? Why this is important? Because what you see, that bended light, demonstrate that our galaxy is surrounded by matter. Black matter that does not emit light. A lantern in the ocean, on the surface, it will illuminate the surface of the ocean, okay? Einstein did not bend the space. They were expecting that we will going to see the border of galaxy, and they light with this thing, okay? I'm telling the truth, okay? If you understand or not, I'm telling the truth.
We're looking back more than 13 billion years. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. And that light that you are seeing on one of those little specks has been traveling for over 13 billion years. And by the way, we're going back further.
Hubble demonstrated on Andromeda that Andromeda is receding from us, and this is where the Big Bang given, and 13 billion years. This is the second lie that Bill Nelson says, okay? Andromeda was receding from us, and now everybody says that it is approaching Milky Way, okay? So who demonstrated? Because the age of the universe, 13.7, is given with Andromeda. That was the graphic, okay? So it is a lie. The second false thing, the third and five things wrong that he says.
You know, 100 years ago, Mr. President, Madam Vice President, 100 years ago, we thought there was only one galaxy. Now, the number is unlimited.
He says that by 100 years ago, we do not know any galaxy. So Messier in 1700s cataloged 100 of these kind of objects. How we did not knew this galaxy? We knew them, but by the time the Messier were stars, and by the time of Einstein, these Messiers were stars, or I mean these galaxies. And there are still stars. You understand? They are stars. Another wrong thing.
And in our galaxy, we have billions of stars or suns.
They name the star sun and our sun stars. Our sun is not a star. Our sun is not a star. The stars are cold. Our sun has flames and has thermal energy. Gases explode. The stars in Carina are put, you say, I'm not saying this, you say that are clouds of dust and gases. The dust ignites and the gases explode. All the gases in Mendeleev explode. Hydrogen, helium, oxygen, all the gases explode. Okay, so if the stars will be like our sun, the gases will explode. Okay, would explode. They are not gases, there is water. Like in a cloud. Like in a cloud, and the stars are cold. The stars are not like our sun. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you this in this video. Our galaxy has only 26 billion kilometers. That's the border of galaxy. The galaxies are only stars. Our galaxy is surrounded by matter that does not emit light, and that galaxies are the border of our galaxy. We do not see the universe. We do not see the universe. God says in the Bible, let there be a firmament and in the middle of the water to separate the waters above the firmament and under the firmament. That's water there, okay? That's water. The Bible says this, okay? And under the firmament was named heaven or the sky, okay? So we do not know what is beyond the sky. That Bible says it was made in water. Believe it or not, the stars are put in water. If you say that these clouds full of stars are from gases, you are lying scientifically. Gases explode. Watch this video from Elon Musk ship. Gases explode, okay? All the gases, methane gas, all the gases. So the stars do not ignite that clouds and do not throw them away from there, from the stars, the clouds, okay? So the clouds, the stars are cold and the clouds are made from water, like vapor, water vapor, like a fog. Okay, that's the water beneath the skies that Bible says, and that black things that you say that are gravitational lensing, there's the water above the sky. Okay, so I've told you, okay, if you want to lie against science, against God, against the Bible, you have your fault. Okay, I've told you. So Bill Nelson, everything is not his fault. It is the way he was taught and was. But now I have told you, okay, our galaxy has only 26 billion kilometers. We cannot film the past. We cannot do this, okay? Don't be children in science. Einstein did not bend the space, so the light travels on any surface you are giving. This will not burn you, okay? We now can separate light from fire. They did not knew this. Laplace falsified this in front of Napoleon. Laplace was the first who said that the gases are gathering to form stars. And you are staying like this. The stars are made from metals, okay? And there are millions of stars, are more than the moon, and inside this galaxy. If you want to lie, it's your job, okay? I've told you, I prevented you, okay? I announced this in English, although it's not my native language, okay? You will bear your fault in the face of God. I've told you, okay? I've told you all these things. I've told you. Okay, goodbye. Watching my channel if you want to understand supplementary. I don't want money, I don't want nothing, okay? Just that these things should be learned, and the earth will not be like children lying, scientifically liars, okay? Okay, goodbye.